already. I don't wash my brush. I just go into the white and to yellow here and see, make it something like this color, and then I create a bit of highlights there. If it doesn't stick, you know what happened? A thinner paint will stick on a thicker paint. You thin it down with magic white. See, now I thinned it down, and look what happened. It didn't happen now, but now it does, you see? Here's one tree standing there. And here's one tree standing there. And there's here one tree standing there. Use the same colors here and there, that you don't have to wash again and put the other color on and wash again, put the other color on. You can highlight that again. And against here, maybe here, we put a nice big tree in there. See, against the dark, it shows far more. And always let it be powerful on top and disappearing in the dark. Disappearing in the dark. See, now it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It thin it down again with magic white, and the thinner paint. Now I can highlight that. You see, look at that. See, a little bit highlight from the side. Light's coming from this side. Can highlight that a little bit from the light side. There you are, look at that. Nice, nice. Yeah, and all of a sudden you catch yourself because having that big brush is the same top, the same top, the same, and then you say, hey, that's not good. Too much the same. Then you have to make sure you get a bit different touches and you get a different move again. See? Just sprinkle around, doesn't matter. But leave dark holes in between. That's coming just the way I want. Now on this side here, on this side, on the left side, I would like to show a little bit sunshine there. There are some sunny trees hidden in there, hiding in there. Even more, let's have it a bit more. And I still use my big brush. I still don't let go. See, here's why I do it. Just white, magic white, and thin down that yellow. And then I use the tip, the tip of the brush. You see, watch this. And you get some nice loose branch feelings. Good.